Let's see some of examples for the usage of color and how it can be used. You can just use few colors like 2 colors and create your whole design. So this is a landing page I recently created for a client, and you can see over here that I have used just few lines and a few shadows and blue, and this is almost black color. So these are the just 2 colors which are the major colors used everywhere in this design. So this gray over here, you can see it is also a grayish blue variation of this same blue color over here. And then if I move it up, you can see this is the second section. Again, these are a bit pale blue. That was a bit, you can say, attention grabber area section of this design. Then we have this one. This is again blue and black, again blue and black. These are just few more colors which I just created from this, again this blue. And I have shown some of the tricks in my other courses about how to create different colors from the same colors that are going to go well together. And this is the only section where I have used these colors. And then if we go over here, again black button, this is different customers, and at the end you can see over here on the left, these are again the blue colors. So these backgrounds, they are also pale grayish blue. So this whole theme is using just blue and black, 2 colors, few lines, few shadows, and that is all. So this is how you can create a neat and clean design without using too many colors. Here is another example which I created on 99 design contest, and I was in the finalist, but anyhow, unfortunately, I didn't won this contest. Okay, so here you can see again I am using this gray and blue. So this, you can see this whole theme is using this gray and blue colors, nothing else. So you can see how I have created a very sleek design by using just single or you can say 2 colors. So everything at the background is blue or black and just single accent color. So this is the most important color over here. You can see I picked this color from here. You can see if you look at the logo, this is how you are going to get the ideas. Again, you can see the logo font, and you can see this evolved font. They are matching close if they are very close. So this is how we get ideas and create awesome looking designs. Again, you can see over here this dream traditional tobacco flavor. It has some texture on it, so I've used some texture in the background. Same colors you can see over here I picked for tobacco flavor, and this green I picked for menthol flavor, just to separate that. Otherwise everything else is blue, and this blue is coming from their brand. You can see Dream 1.8, and that is how I created this whole design. And client really liked this design. They almost called me twice. Even after this competition was ended, he said that I really loved this design. And I'm unfortunately the actual client who was going to select the CEO of this company, he didn't select this in the end, but the agency I designed for, they really loved this idea. Anyhow, let's see another example. Okay, so this is another example, which is another one competition from my 99designs.com, and these are very old, and unfortunately I again didn't win in this one. I was in the finals, but I didn't win. Anyhow, you can see here I am using just purple color and gray and blacks for glamour, because it is a posh blowy bar. And you can see here I have just used that color. Patterns, I have used some patterns, some backgrounds, some shadows, lines to emphasize different sections and areas. And here you can see again the highlight color is purple, reversing the colors. This is another technique I have shown you in my other designs, that here we reverse the colors, and here we have the actual colors, reverse the color scheme. So this is how I created this whole theme. Let's see some more examples from other designers, because I think I am just a normal designer. My work is not that too good. So let's see some experienced and more experienced designers than me. So here we have jamp.com. This is another website. I really love these colors because these are my favorite colors. Purple, I like this dark blue or blues and oranges. So these are two of my favorite colors, and you can see how they have used it. Top line purple, then this purple shapes over here, the blue shapes, and this is how the whole design is used. These two colors in their all their illustrations, and some shades of that. For this is a lighter blue. This is the same lighter blue from this darker blue color. I really love this website. This is top notch. I really love this design. Very simple, very sleek, just two colors and different shades of that, this purplish blue. So this is darker one, this is light one, and this is again this grayish purple or grayish blue color over here. So you can see using just two colors you can create awesome designs. You don't need like 3 or 4 or 5 colors. Okay, so let's see one more example. I really love this one. It is from Denny Petty, and the title is Dogs Should Be Pretty. And I really love this, how he has used different grays over here, this dark blue, this prominent blue on this dark black color over here. And I really love how these the things have been highlighted over here with some pale blue color underneath them. And this is a great use of a simple color scheme to enhance your whole design. So you can see just this is their primary or accent color. This is blue color, which is used for the highlighted or selective or interactive sections of this design. This pale blue is used for highlighting few areas which are, you can say, emphasized areas. And these are again links over here. These are again in blue. So I really love this design. Let me show you another one. Here again they are using just two colors, this green and this cyan blue color, dull blue, and the black to enhance these colors. And you can see these are their different illustrations. Again, in the illustration you are just seeing two colors over here, two colors, and that is all. So you can see how they are using different colors to highlight, like jobs we are hiring. So if we click over here, let's see how their jobs page is listed over here. So open jobs. Again, you can see here they have this pale cyan blue color, and I really love this style. This is very bold, very unique, and this black color, and on the top of the black color, the screen is looking really great. So these are few examples I wanted to show you guys. I hope you have loved this lesson and got the ideas of how you can use different colors. One more tip is that if you have a lighter background, try to use darker colors on top of that to get some contrast, like you can see over here. And if you have some darker backgrounds, you can see here we have darker backgrounds. They are using lighter colors on it. So this is a very basic tip, but I have seen a lot of designers doing it wrong. So let's move on to the next lesson. These lessons are getting very longer, but I hope you are going to get a lot of improvements in your designs by looking at these examples and how I am explaining to you. If you have any questions, do ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson.